Hello, Coach K community. Let's go ahead and stretch out that lower body. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and lay all the way down onto your mat. Slow and controlled, bring one at a time, your knees in towards your chest. Give yourself that knee to chest hug, and then slowly rock side to side. In 5, you're gonna keep only the right knee tucked in towards your chest. In 3, 2, 1. Keep your right knee tucked in, slow and controlled. Extend that left leg out and down. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale, bring the left hand on the outside of your right knee. Pull your right knee down to the left to twist over your left leg here. You just want to relax. And then take your head, look to the right. Now you can continue to push the knee down. You can keep it slightly up if you need to. You can always put a pillow underneath that knee for extra support. And take a nice big inhale. Exhale, relax down. For 10. In 5, we're gonna bring it back through the center. And 3, 2, 1. Take a nice big inhale. Exhale, pull back through the center there. Now, slow and controlled, what you're going to do is extend your right leg straight up towards that ceiling. Grab onto the leg with both of your hands. Now, if you're a little bit more flexible, you can always climb up the leg a little bit higher and pull in. I definitely have some tight hamstrings, so I'm gonna stay right here. You wanna take a nice big inhale. Exhale, see if you can relax deeper into that stretch. In 10, we're gonna switch to the other side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Extend that right leg away. You're gonna pull and tuck that left knee in towards your chest. Now from here, right hand's gonna go on the outside of your left knee. You're gonna pull that left knee down to the right. And then think, look to your left. I'm really tight against my wall here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoot out just a little bit further so I can drop my knee all the way down. And hold that spine twist there. For 10. Three, 2, 1. Bring it back through the center. Now from here, slow and controlled, extend that left leg straight up towards that ceiling, holding on with both hands either higher up or lower down, depending on your flexibility. Again, I have horrible hamstrings, so I'm gonna stay with my bent knee and pull from here. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. You're gonna go ahead and come up into a seated position here. You're gonna bring the bottoms of the feet together. Knees are gonna go out wide. Hands can come to the ankles. Take your elbows, press them down into your knees and hold. Got a lovely butterfly here. Holding here for 10. In 9, you're gonna take the left hand to the left knee. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left hand down to the left knee. Take your right hand, press it down into the mat. Look to the right. For 10. In 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other side. Left hand comes down to the mat. Right hand presses down that right knee, look to the left. For 10. In 5, we're gonna extend both legs out in front. 3, 2, 1. You're going to extend both legs out in front. You're gonna bring your right foot on the outside of your left knee. Bring your hands together. Hold that torso up and hold. In 5, you're gonna stay right here with your legs, but we're gonna rotate to the other side. Just wanna get a little torso stretch in here in 3, 2, 1. Keep your legs exactly where they were, but this time you're gonna pull and feel it in your outer glute here on the right side. For 10. 5, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna keep your right ankle above the left knee, drop your right knee out to the side, bend your left foot in, and hold that figure 4. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna switch to the other side. Right leg goes out, left foot goes on the outside of that right leg. First twist to that leg, get that torso going nice and tall. You're not really feeling anything in the legs on this one. It's just more about lengthening our torso here. Stretch it on out. In 5, we're gonna rotate away from the leg in 3, 2, 1. So I hook my right hand around that left leg and then I pull in. So I want you to feel on that outer glute area. You might feel a little bit of a pull from the back of that leg too. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna extend both legs out to the width of that mat there. Take a nice big inhale, reach it up overhead. Exhale, forward fold over. For 10. 5. Go in 3, 2, 1. Slowly roll it on up. Let's end with that seated meditation. Go ahead and just stay seated onto that mat. Bring those hands to the stomach. Relax those shoulders. Close those eyes. Take a lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. And again, taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Thanks for joining me. I'll hope to see you in the next workout or next stretch video. Bye.